Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily realign the start button. So if you want to move your start button back to the left or center in Windows 11, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can realign the start button in just a few clicks. So what you need to do in here is just right click on the taskbar and then go to the taskbar settings, and the window setting will be opened. So after this, you can just go to find the taskbar behavior. So scroll down, this one, click on the drop down, and then you can see there will be the taskbar alignment. You can just change it to how you like it. So it's currently on the center. So I'm going to change it to the left. Click on it and choose left. And just like that, the start button will be realigned. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.